Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to sell ticket on Viagogo. So guys, go to open your account and go to sell and click sell ticket. And from here guys, what you have to do, choose the event and start selling your ticket for this event. For example guys, search for NFL team here and this event. And after that, guys, what you have to do, choose this event and click sell ticket. For example, this one, you want to sell ticket and click what you have to do, guys. Click, do you want to sell your ticket together? Click any or no and choose the quantity, for example, 2 tickets and click continue. And from here guys, scroll down and click on select there no restriction and select your type, for example this one, and click about you. If you work for Viagogo organize, choose this one option employed by Viagogo, or and select this option and you were for example you are employed or engaged by Viagogo and click trader here. And after that, write your information, your name and your address, for example United States. And what you have to do guys, select this country here and click continue and you will sell tickets successfully without any problem. I hope guys this video helpful for you. See you on other videos soon.